ChatGPT is a type of computer program known as a language model. It possesses a comprehensive understanding of human language and can proficiently generate text emulating human expression. This remarkable capability empowers it to undertake a diverse range of tasks, including but not limited to business planning, complex document summarization, language translation, and even the creation of creative work such as poetry and science fiction novels. But how does ChatGPT achieve these tasks? The underlying concept is machine learning. In essence, it instructs a computer to acquire knowledge from data, akin to how humans learn from experience. ChatGPT has acquired its knowledge from an extensive corpus of text data collected from the internet. While it does not possess true comprehension of its content, remembers how words and sentences form patterns. Consequently, when presented with a sentence, it can predict what might follow, drawing upon its prior exposure to similar sentence structures. This remarkable ability enables ChatGPT to generate responses that closely resemble human language, though it occasionally makes errors since it relies solely on patterns it has observed. ChatGPT stands as a powerful tool for generating human-like responses. Nevertheless, it is important to recognize that its responses are essentially educated guesses based on patterns it has encountered, rather than true comprehension of the content. The significance of ChatGPT lies in its transformative impact on technology usage. It can be likened to a digital assistant, offering valuable assistance to individuals and businesses in a multitude of ways. Its capabilities encompass conversing with customers, content creation, articles or blogs, language translation, scheduling assistance, answering common queries, and even aiding in educational endeavors. Furthermore, ChatGPT's capacity to operate continuously 24/7 enables it to handle repetitive tasks, thereby freeing up human resources for more creative pursuits and problem solving. However, it is imperative to acknowledge the challenges associated with ChatGPT. While it excels at generating human-like text, it can occasionally produce inaccurate or misleading information due to its lack of true comprehension. It operates based on recognizing patterns, and issues related to copyright may arise when it generates content that closely resembles its training data. It is crucial to bear in mind that every tool has its strengths and limitations. In this course, we will guide you in harnessing its incredible potential while also promoting responsible handling of its limitations. So, in the upcoming lecture, we'll dive into the practical aspects of using this incredible tool effectively. We look forward to embarking on this journey with you, where we'll equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the intricacies of ChatGPT. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of ChatGPT's capabilities and limitations. We are excited to have you as part of this course and are confident that it will be an enlightening and enriching experience. See you in the next lecture, where we will delve deeper into the practical applications and responsible usage of ChatGPT.